Hey, what is going on YouTube? It is Abaraka007. Now in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to reply to a Snapchat story with a video or photo. So let's launch Snapchat. Then you need to go to stories. Now let's select a story from here. Let me turn down my volume. Let's select a story. Now once you're in the story, what you need to do next is to swipe up the chat, and from here you should select this icon here, which is the photos and videos, which will lead you to your gallery. So once you're in your gallery, you could select any one of these to reply with. So if I should select this video and then click on the send button, it will reply to this story with this video. So that is how it go about replying to a Snapchat story with a photo or video. Now I hope this was useful to you guys, and there are many tutorials on my channel like this, which covers TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, WhatsApp, and basically all the social media platforms, how to do various things within those platforms. So if you enjoy things like those, please check out the other videos. And that is it for this video. So